Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ciro. I got an amazing recipe for you today. If you like wedges that are soft on the inside, crispy on the outside, watch this video. I am making my famous garlic parmesan potato wedges. Alright, so the reason why you're able to obtain such softness inside and such crispiness outside on these is because we have a double cooking method. Double cooking? No, it's baking and frying. Are they both cooking? I don't know, whatever. We're gonna first bake, then we're gonna fry. Let's get to it. So for this recipe, I am using 4 Idaho red potatoes, some olive oil. For seasoning, I am using garlic salt and paprika, Parmesan cheese. You will also need some type of tossing dish and some type of baking tray. All right, so first things first, we're gonna grab our potatoes and we're gonna cut them in the traditional wedge shape. Make sure to wash your potatoes and clean them before doing this. It's important to note that the thicker you make your wedges, the longer the cooking process will be. I'm using these Idaho red potatoes, but you can use just about any potato that you'd like. All right, so now that our wedges are in our mixing bowl, we're gonna drizzle them with oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any type of oil that you'd like. We're gonna give this a good toss. We want all the potato wedges covered with oil. All right, what I have here is the seasoning. I'm using equal parts garlic sugar and paprika. You can use any type of seasoning you want. You can just use salt and pepper. You can use just salt, or you can use nothing. Just have the potatoes. I will sprinkle them. Now I'm gonna continue to toss. I will stop, sprinkle some more, and continue to toss. As you can see, each potato is getting an even coat. That's what we want. You will continue to toss until everything has an even coat. All right, so I am preheating the oven to 400 degrees. These are gonna go in for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. While my oven is preheating, I'm gonna go ahead and grease my baking tray, and I'm just greasing it with olive oil. If you have the spray-on oil, that'll work too. We are going to set the potato wedges with the skin side down. All right, so as mentioned, 400 degrees for about 40 minutes going in. So time's up. Check it out. And look at that, straight out of the oven. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, these are good as is, but we're not done. It's about to get better. Pan, hot heat, put some oil in there, let that get really hot. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get our baked wedges. We're gonna fry them just a little bit. We're gonna take them out and sprinkle them with Parmesan cheese. This process in the oil is just going to get them a little bit more crispy. All right, so these have been baked to perfection. Then they were slightly fried to give them a nice crispy edge. And last step, cover them in Parmesan and we're gonna toss them. I'm gonna do a little more and a little more. I really like cheese. And that's it, they're ready. There you go, look at that final product. Soft inside, crispy outside. I'm serving mine with a side of spicy ketchup. Use whatever dipping sauce you'd like. All right, here we go. Let's go for the taste. They're delicious. They're nice and soft on the inside. Nice and crunchy on the outside. Amazing flavor. Y'all, like this video, share this video, subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate it. And guess what? If you didn't like this video, it's all right. I'm gonna make another video. Go and like that one.